In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Flodesk account, complete with a 2025 guide for beginners. Whether you're venturing into email marketing for the first time or looking to explore a new tool, this tutorial will walk you through the essential steps to get your account up and running smoothly. To get started, first visit the Flodesk website at www.flodesk.com. If you haven't signed up yet, simply create an account. Once that's done, log in to get to the main dashboard. This will be your primary hub for managing all your email marketing activities. The user interface is intuitive, so even if you're new, you'll find it quite easy to navigate. Next, let's set up your brand identity on Flodesk. Begin by uploading your brand logo. This is an important step as it integrates your brand's visual identity into your communications, ensuring consistency across all touchpoints. Following this, you'll want to choose your brand colors and fonts. These selections should align with your existing brand guidelines. Remember, coherence in visuals helps in establishing brand recognition and trust with your audience. Adding your website and social links is the next step. This not only boosts your digital presence, but also provides your subscribers with multiple ways to engage and connect with your brand. Be sure that these links are up to date and reflective of your active online platforms. With your brand profile in place, the next focus is on creating a subscriber list. Navigate to the audience section on Flodesk. Here you can start building your list by clicking on the plus new segment button. Name this segment thoughtfully. Something like newsletter is simple and clear, giving a clear indicator of its purpose. As your business expands, you can create more segments to target different groups effectively. The subsequent task is forming a sign-up form that will capture new subscribers. Head over to the forms section. Choose a form style that suits your needs, pop-up, inline or full page. Each has its own benefits, so consider where this form will live on your site. Customize your form to fit your branding and ensure it connects to your earlier created segment. This connection ensures that the new subscribers automatically filter into the correct list. Once your subscriber list and form are set, you're ready to send your first email. Start by going to the email section and selecting plus new email. Choose a template that aligns with the message you want to convey. Personalize the email with engaging content and design, reflecting your brand's voice and style, then select the right segment for it to be sent to. Finally, complete this step by hitting send or choosing to schedule for later. Timing can greatly affect engagement, so think about when your audience is most active. After the email goes out, it's time to review its performance. Head to the analytics to track open rates, click-throughs, and subscriber growth. This data is key for refining your strategies and improving results in future campaigns. And there you have it. From setup to sending your first email, you're now well equipped to leverage Flodesk for your email marketing needs. Happy emailing!